How are we all? I thought I would film this intro, even though the video I actually filmed was yesterday, but I thought I would film this today because yesterday was absolutely crazy. It was just one of those days where everything I was trying to do was just going terribly wrong, and I didn't want to kind of shortchange you with giving you a little disclaimer and everything and that. So welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. I am vegetarian, I don't eat fish either, and this is kind of what I eat when I'm just maintaining a little bit. I overindulged over Christmas like everybody did, and it didn't make me feel very good, so I've been trying to just kind of be mindful of that at the moment. I've just realised as well, I'm wearing the same top that I wore in last video. It's actually a bodysuit from New Look, and I've worn it loads. It's really warm and it's just like really nice soft material. I'm going to go to work in a minute, so I wanted something that I could kind of move around in quite comfortably and not be too hot either, because it is hot inside the restaurant. But yeah, the Jamie Oliver recipe of the tomato soup that I cooked, I will link that down below for you. And snack wise, I did have a couple of snacks that I didn't film, but all they were some of the Lotus biscuits, like the little round ones with the cream inside. I had 2 of those, and that was kind of everything. I was on the go a lot yesterday, so I kind of could have made slightly wiser choices for snacks in between and that kind of thing, but it's a very kind of standard, typical day of eating for me. That being said, that doesn't mean that that's what you have to eat. That doesn't mean that that's going to work for you. I'm very short, I'm only 5'1", and I'm of a petite frame generally, so I have to be a little bit more careful than maybe others do, and I like that way of kind of balancing it out and that kind of thing. It works well for me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy seeing what I eat, and this won't necessarily be the format in which I film going forward. Like I said, yesterday was just a really manic day. It's been a bit of a manic week, to be honest. Can't wait for it to kind of be over, and I don't know why I'm saying that, every week's manic. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this nonetheless, and I will see you soon. Bye. So for breakfast, I'm having some yogurt. These are my favourite yogurts, by the way. They're a little bit pricey, but they always have them on offer in Tesco's, and I found them really filling and they're really delicious. So I've got a whole one of those with some blueberries. Full disclosure, I'm actually not that keen on blueberries, but they didn't have any strawberries. And some ground flaxseed on it as well. Lola's going to help me eat this as well, because she absolutely loves this breakfast and she's already had hers. And this is kind of a standard breakfast for me throughout the week, to be honest. When I don't know what to have, I'll just have one of these, and it kind of keeps me nice and full, and I know I'm getting in the good stuff first thing. So for lunch, I've got a wrap that's got some cheese and onion and some of this chili jam from M&S. It was a Christmas edition thing that they were doing, and it's delicious. We've nearly run out of it, and I'm really sad because they're not doing it anymore. And I just kind of heated it up on a dry pan, and then I've just got some veggies on the side and some cheese and onion French fries. They're not actual French fries, yeah, they're these ones. They're crisps basically. And I might have a Diet Coke with my lunch as well, because I've already had a litre of water today. So I'm going to just have a little snack while Lola is asleep. Well, I say asleep, I don't know what's going on. Paul's gone to try because I couldn't get to go to sleep. Coffee and one of these. These are actually Lola's. She got them for Christmas, but she doesn't like them for some reason. I think the chocolate's a bit too heavy for her, but luckily I do. So this is the Jamie Oliver roasted tomato soup. I will put the recipe down below. I didn't film it because it was an absolute manic rush. Today's just been one of those days. But I've got some kind of crouton type things. These are actually from Israel. My dad sent them in the post. I'll try and see if I can find something similar. And I've got some pecorino cheese on top of it and some black pepper. I did have a quick taste when I was plating up, and it did taste really good. So I'll pop the recipe down below for you. So verdict on that tomato soup is really, really nice. I think it would have been nicer if I roasted the tomatoes for longer, like it suggests. It's like a slow roast, how he suggests it, but my day went to shit and I had to do it quickly. So but yeah, really, really nice. I didn't have it with the croutons that he suggests, purely because, to be honest, I just forgot. But I find soup really filling, so that was fine for me. So last thing is I'm going to have a little snack. I'm going to have some pretzels and one of these popcorn flavoured Kit Kats. Everyone knows that chunky Kit Kats are far superior to normal Kit Kats, that's a given. But these ones are extra, extra nice. I've only seen them in Tesco's, weirdly, but they're delicious. And I'm going to have a satsuma as well, because fruit with every meal or snack, yeah? Well, fruit or veg. In this case, fruit.